Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? We're here in Buena Park, and this is our last day here. So yesterday we got the stain down. We got 2 coats down. So basically today what we're going to be doing is we're going to come in here. We're going to buff, get that floor looking tabletop smooth, and then we're going to put some baseboards on here. So let me turn this around, show you what we got.
Pause. Okay, so let me just show you this floor. It looks almost identical to this one. Okay, it's the old floor, new floor. So we were able to match the color more or less. We ended up doing 6 parts natural, 1 part golden brown to match that. You can see that big ugly gap. We're going to fill that with baseboard over. Base shoe, unfortunately, is too small. Biggest base shoe comes in 3/4, so it's unfortunate, but we're going to put that in there. See all the good stuff here. Beautiful, very beautiful. Closet's all done. So, as always, there's not much of a difference as far as the look goes between the second coat and the third coat. Second coat is just for protection. Third coat's the sheen. But this is pretty much the sheen. This is more or less what it's going to look like. But I'll do another video update in a little bit, and you'll get to see it with the baseboards and everything. So, everybody have a good day. Take care.